You're live? Okay guys, welcome to another Ghost episode. Today I told you I built a 6-inch ultralight. Frame was by URUAV, so I took a 5.5-inch frame, slapped some 6-inch props on there, and used a 405 model stack. Got a Rush FPV VTX all the way up to 800 milliwatts. And yeah, so I built it. This is my maiden. I'm actually lying. I maiden this a week ago, but I didn't like the video. But I'm going to try it today with HD quality. So stay tuned for the next Ghost FPV episode. Peace.
I am the Ghost.
Ready? Alright, so this is the Ultralight 6-inch on a 5.5-inch frame. Got the TBS crossfire right here. And as you can see, I use the GPS mount as a brace for the antenna VTX here. And I kind of like that hatchback look. Hopefully you guys like it too. But yeah, we're going to test fly it right now. And we're going to use analog. If you guys don't already know, I'm a fan of analog. I don't have any digital systems yet. But for now, check it out, the next Ghost. cucumbers are big.
That's a cucumber?
Yeah, it's a cucumber. Or some sort of squash.
They look like squash.
Yeah, it could be a squash. I'm not good with my vegetables.
Tomato.
Tomato, look at that.
Look at this one. Look, that's squash, babe.
The squash?
Squash, look.
Yeah.